Hi, my name is Charles Burke, and I'm an assistant professor of data science at Franklin University, Switzerland. For the MSIM course, I teach business analytics. Business analytics, I think, is a bit of a misnomer because data you're going to encounter, whether you're looking at climate action, whether you're looking at art management, or of course, if you're looking at business. And so across all of that broad spectrum, we're going to be trying to make sense of data, which is more than just analyzing data. We also want to be able to communicate from it the insights that whatever your data set is presenting to each of your managers, your stakeholders, and the broader public. So our key learning outcomes for this course is to learn some software. So we're going to try to use the most easy plug-and-play software possible, and then we're going to couple that with data from many different aspects. Some from art, some from sustainability, some from business, and we're going to try to marry those two to find things like outliers, to find things like analytics that can predict outcomes, and then hopefully bring that all together and be able to communicate those insights really well. So I'm gonna borrow something that was told to me from a big Star Trek fan, but she is also a leader of business, which is that there are Spocks in the world and that there are Captain Kirks in the world, and the Spock is sort of the data analyst who's spitting out the facts and figures, and the Kirk is the one who is driving the ship and who is the leader. And so we want to be both of those things. We want to be able to have the facts, the figures, the evidence that back us up, but we want to be the communicators, the ones who drive the ship, the ones that people believe in the stories that the data will actually tell.